Hello there. Today we'll be talking about how to create a civil 3D surface using Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 3D. So there's a few stuff that you need to prepare. Basically an AutoCAD file that already has points in it. This screenshot shows a previous video that I've made that how to import your points, your CSV file into a Civil 3D enabled file. As you can see here, this is the previous video that we have made. And I've already imported the points as you can see here. So all these are actually points. So just a recap of how we can display where other points are. You just need to go group properties, and you can even choose the elevation and description if you wanted to. So it's quite a mess, so I'll just undo this first. Oh, so I don't think I can directly undo. I have to go to the point group properties and turn this off. Okay, so now it's off. So to directly move in, to create a surface, you just need to select this surface on the left click, right click, create a surface. So normally what I would like to use is just a thin surface. This surface layer basically is, if you have used AutoCAD, you know that this is actually a layer property. So normally what I would do is, I'll just select a prefix of what kind of topo that I want. So I'll use 0 as in, it's just easier for me to find out. EX means existing topo, and press OK. So surface wise, right, since this is just the surface name that you will see on the left hand side here, so notice that I'll click in existing topo here. Okay. Then just press enter. So currently you have an empty surface, as you can see here. So this surface doesn't have anything, it's basically empty. You can see that there's no definition being added. Okay, to make a very preliminary surface, what you can do is you just select left click, point group, add a point group, and just add all the points that was previously in your CSV file. You just press OK. So notice that now they already generated a surface. Just to further explain what is a surface is, this is based on a contour view that how the surface is being created. So you can click object, and wireframe doesn't, this shaded, right, it's like not really user friendly. So normally what I would do, I would just go into a wireframe view or a shaded view. Okay, this doesn't look nice. What I would normally do is I'll select, change the surface properties, change it to elevation bending. Okay, you'll notice now that it changed into a color scheme. You can also just do this, and they will basically help you like do a certain color scheme. What is the minimum and maximum elevation? All you need to do is just press this. So what this thing is doing is that they will help you create 8 bands based on the number that you put in here. You can even customize the number that you want here, but for now I'll just keep it as default, and you can just try it out on your own. Press apply, press OK. So this still doesn't look nice. So what I will do is, I mean, it's fine. It's a very brief idea of what you have. So this is in gray shaded area, but it's okay. So you can change the style of this. Go to surface properties, information, click this small triangle, and edit the current selection. What I would normally do is, I will change certain settings that I have. Like if I'm in the model view, which is just now the one that shows a gray layer, so notice that it's still based on the by layer where it's still the triangle kind. I will turn this off, turn this into elevation, press OK, press OK, press OK. And now you have a color scheme that matches the elevation bending. So as you can see that the red indicates that it's on a lower profile, blue and purple is on a higher profile. So that's all for today. A very simplified version of how you can create your own surface in Civil 3D. Thank you.